Good morning, and this is the 4-minute morning for today, Crypto Day, 28th of April, 2018. Like always, everything within your own risk and own reward. I'll be putting a longer video later in the day. A lot of alternate coins that I've looked at that are worth talking about. Even a few more I'll probably add to the list later on. But this one is just about Bitcoin, and within the Bitfinex chart, Fibonacci, let's see here, this 9504 level, which came up to it on April the 24th, had an instant pullback down to that point, but has not retraced lower. Small green candle up, small red one up. Today's session, a little bit better. The actual high for today was 9,500, only 4 basis points lower than the Fibonacci numbers that I have placed in. We look at this next shortest term level, 400-minute time frame. Well, after coming up to this point, I like how it's corrected within the 18 average. It's starting a new period after getting above this level here, but I need to see this even more shorter term. And this is the move here. That came right up to 95, and the low was 87.50. That happened on Bitfinex itself, because some, most likely one larger individual sold it down, and they sold it down to 87.53. That's probably that's how much they could go based on how the bids would be accumulated to that point. Because looking at this on Coinbase, not such the case. So a little bit of a different chart based on that, but regardless of the fact, how was the Coinbase levels that I put out yesterday in the 4-minute morning video? Well, the Fibonacci level here, 8,863. Actual retail lowest point, 8,863.42. I feel a little bit like Bob Barker and maybe a bit like Drew Carey, but I've never seen Drew Carey do that show much at all. As a kid, Bob Barker, and the price is right. But what is the situation in here now? Or what it's telling me is, since this low, it managed to have nice resistance amongst the 61.8% level, and has now gotten above it and is holding so far within it. This is a 60-minute time frame, 22 minutes and 20 seconds left. That means it's well into past the halfway point of this period. So I do like productively how it is holding and staying above that level. But as we can see, resistance here has been placed into this key number. Will it be support? I wouldn't be surprised if there's any leg lower from here, that's whereabouts it would go. Maybe a small pierce. My guess for any short-term low would be somewhere around 92.88 to 92.94, if it does even do that. But I would think breaking out above this level in here with a 9,500 already been tested on that of Bitfinex, that it can get above that level. And then when we're talking about this on the more longer term time frame, I would be expecting on a break out above the 10,000 handle that it would have decent sized green moves, a test of about 12,600 and change, and either again with large moves higher or a large amount of green candles over a significant period. Something like 12, 13 days where almost all are up days, maybe all but 1 or 2, and a nice bull market run. And that's on the break of this resistance, and it sure as heck looks like that's happening within its current action right now. So we'll wait and see. Everything you do, like always, within your own risk, own reward. And again, a longer video later in the day talking about altcoins. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.